Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The Book of Job chapter 17 verses 1 to 16 and the Book of Job chapter 18 verses 1 to 21:1. My spirit is consumed. My days are extinct and the grave is ready for me. Too surely there are mockers with me. My eye dwells on their provocation. 3. Now give a pledge. Be collateral for me with yourself. Who is there who will strike hands with me? 4. For you have hidden their heart from understanding. Therefore you will not exalt them. 5. He who denounces his friends for plunder, even the eyes of his children will fail. 6. But he has made me a byword of the people. They spit in my face. 7. My eye also is dim by reason of sorrow. All my members are as a shadow. 8. Upright men will be astonished at this. The innocent will stir himself up against the godless. 9. Yet the righteous will hold to his way. He who has clean hands will grow stronger and stronger. 10. But as for you all, come back. I will not find a wise man among you. 11. My days are past. My plans are broken off, as are the thoughts of my heart. 12. They change the night into day, saying, the light is near in the presence of darkness. 13. If I look for Sheol as my house, if I have spread my couch in the darkness. 14. If I have said to corruption, you are my father, and to the worm, my mother and my sister. 15. Where then is my hope? As for my hope, who will see it? 16. Shall it go down with me to the gates of Sheol, or descend together into the dust? The Book of Job chapter 18 verses 1 to 21:1. Then Bildad the Shuhite answered, 2. How long will you hunt for words? Consider, and afterwards we will speak. 3. Why are we counted as animals, which have become unclean in your sight? 4. You who tear yourself in your anger, will the earth be forsaken for you? Or will the rock be removed out of its place? 5. Yes, the light of the wicked will be put out. The spark of his fire won't shine. 6. The light will be dark in his tent. His lamp above him will be put out. 7. The steps of his strength will be shortened. His own counsel will cast him down. 8. For he is cast into a net by his own feet, and he wanders into its mesh. 9. A snare will take him by the heel. A trap will catch him. 10. A noose is hidden for him in the ground, a trap for him on the path. 11. Terrors will make him afraid on every side, and will chase him at his heels. 12. His strength will be famished. Calamity will be ready at his side. 13. The members of his body will be devoured. The firstborn of death will devour his members. 14. He will be rooted out of the security of his tent. He will be brought to the king of terrors. 15. There will dwell in his tent that which is none of his. Sulfur will be scattered on his habitation. 16. His roots will be dried up beneath. His branch will be cut off above. 17. His memory will perish from the earth. He will have no name in the street. 18. He will be driven from light into darkness and chased out of the world. 19. He will have neither son nor grandson among his people, nor any remaining where he lived. 20. Those who come after will be astonished at his day, as those who went before were frightened. 21. Surely such are the dwellings of the unrighteous. This is the place of him who doesn't know God. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the Book of Job chapter 17 verses 1 to 16 and the Book of Job chapter 18 verses 1 to 21. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.